film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths. It is all the more tragic in that they were young, but had they lived very, very long lives, they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were about to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon became a nightmare. For 30 years, the files collected dust in the Cold Cases Division of the Hocking County Police Department. Over 1,300 pieces of evidence were collected from the crime scene at Scarecrow Face's residence. The events of that day were to lead to one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Logan Chainsaw Massacre.
We should find a gas station.
We haven't seen one in hours. Driving hours.
I saw one way back there in, I don't even know, it was like that little nobody town.
Guys, is that a car?
A car!
Oh, guys, a car!
A car!
Try and get it!
Hey!
No!
What? Oh.
We're stuck out here.
People make me angry.
Maybe we can, like, spend the night there.
Hey Jessica, did you bring this stuff? Got it. Watch your head, guys. This is really disgusting.
Seems abandoned.
Who would want to live here?
I don't think anyone lives here.
Who'd want to?
Exactly.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Shh, I'm gonna sneak a peek.
He's such a pervert. There's someone up there.
Guys, there's someone behind you!
Where the hell did he go?
Where is he? I don't... I can't believe he's dead. It's okay.
No.
It's okay. Don't you get it? We're all gonna be just like her. We're all gonna die. Exactly like she did.
We're gonna get out of this, okay? We're gonna do something. I don't know.
Guys, we can't just sit here. He's still out there.
Oh God!
He's coming! upstairs! Now!
You!
Just go! Come on, man, get away!
Taylor. Oh God, Taylor. Stop. Stop. Taylor, no. Taylor. Why are you doing this? Wait. Let me alone. Why are you doing this? Please help me.
Are you okay?
Please help me.
Hey, get in! Get in! Hey! What's going on with you? Hey! What's the matter? Hey! What's the matter with you? Are you okay? Do you need...
Just that.
Yeah. There's someone behind you! Ah! I went to... Action! Eddie, pull it up. Chainsaw!
Stop it, please.
Chainsaw! Not...
Am I supposed to be